Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone here in sunny Florida. I'm happy you're here. I'm happy I'm here. Been away for a week. About 5 days more than we had planned to be away, but we traveled up to Wilmington, North Carolina, and did some exploring and looked around and possibly thinking about relocating there. So it was a nice little adventure, but I'm very happy to be back. I've missed my paints and I've missed y'all. So I'm fiddling today. I'm doing kind of like a pearl pour painting. At least I think I am. Just kind of experimenting. We're working with an Artist Loft gallery wrapped 14 by 18 inch canvas, bought on sale, don't you know? Nice and sturdy, and we've got some yummy paints here. Let's talk about our base coat color. That's right here. Let's look at the consistency. It's very thin. I think maybe I might need to add even just a little bit more water in there. Our base coat is interior satin enamel Behr paint, and then I added to it some golden titanium buff to kind of give some pretty hue, which I think will go really nicely with these blues and greens. In this cup right here, that's a combination of golden fluids and the titanium buff with just a little bit of the DecoArt satin enamel in the pure white. Pouring medium. Let's talk about our pouring medium in the base coat and in all of these paints. It is Floetrol, GAC 800, and water. How much water? Well, the fluid paints didn't need a lot of water because they're already fluid, but you want very no trace whatsoever when the paint rolls off the popsicle stick into the paint below. When you think you've added enough water, you probably have not. And I think I need to add a little bit more water to this base coat color because the Behr satin enamel is much more thick than the fluid paints. Right here, this is DecoArt Metallics, and that is their Peacock Pearl. Lovely little paint, one of the first paints I ever bought when I started my pouring journey. This is lovely as well, DecoArt Americana, and that is their Moody Blue. The DecoArt paints took a bit of water, probably about 20% water. We're at 1 part paint, with the exception of the golden fluids. That's like a 1/3 part because you don't need as much paint because the pigment is so strong. 1 part paint, or a 1/3 part paint if it's a golden fluid paint. 1 part Floetrol, big super healthy squirt of golden GAC 800, and water. More water in the craft paints, the DecoArt paints, than the fluid paints. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little loopy from the air travel and whatnot. Right here, pretty paint. This is Viridian green hue in the fluid paints by Golden. Very little water was needed. Right here, golden fluids in the Teal or the Blue Lagoon. Very little water needed. Let's take a look at that consistency as well. No trace, just dissipates right into the paint below. Very fluid. I don't do very many Dutch pours, but it's more fluid than a Dutch pour, more fluid than a swipe. Last color is golden fluid acrylics in the Payne's Gray. Took very little water because it is a fluid paint. And I love all these colors. We're getting our blues and greens on. Now, something else I'm trying out here. Right here, this is much thicker, as you can tell. This is DecoArt Extreme Sheen in the 24 karat gold, but it is mixed with golden tar gel. What tar gel does is it makes your paints stringy. So I'm thinking I might, after I'm done pouring, just kind of stream some of this gold across certain areas. Can you see how it's kind of stringy there? That's golden tar gel. So we're playing with some new things. Now, because our base coat is so fluid, I am going to brush paint my sides and the corner with the titanium buff. And then I'm just gonna fiddle. I think I might do a flip cup and tilt and see if we get some yummy pearls. If we don't get pearls, that's okay. We'll move on to something else, right? Let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. Standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older. let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see.